He's just chilling.
Hello there. It's my first vlog in a while. I'm actually looking at my YouTube channel. This is gonna be my first vlog in 2 months. It is October 3rd, so it's like the first half week of October, and I thought I would vlog, or like try to vlog like my week. I was like re-watching some of my vlogs, and I was watching this one right here, Sunsets and Studying, and I think it's so funny because in that video I was writing an economics paper, and that's what I'm doing this morning because I have to retake an economics class. I also thought that if I vlogged and like recorded myself like working, then that would motivate me to work because I can't be on my phone. So let's write a paper. I know that this is a weird angle, but I don't know where else to set my phone. Also, look at this boat picture I found at Hobby Lobby. Okay, let the writing commence. Yeah, let the writing commence. I got my coffee, brown sugar shaken espresso. It's so mid. Okay, however, I did pick up my packages from the post office, and these are my new products. Okay, I think this is my journal because I designed a fall collection for my small business. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, it looks really dark. I'm turning on the lamp. Oop, let there be light. Okay. It looks really dark. What the heck? It's supposed to be plaid. Like green plaid. This is gonna be like my like sermon notes journal. Like for chapel and church and stuff. Okay. I'll just do like better lighting later. So there's the journal. Oh my gosh, I think this is the phone case. I hope it's not as dark. I hope it's not as dark. I'm scared. It's like a blue plaid. Okay. Okay, I ate with this one. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay, package. Okay. Hello? How am I supposed to open it? Okay. Okay, wait, it's like super pigmented. What the heck? Doesn't she look beautiful? Because I wanted like a blue to like match my phone. It looks so good. Okay, so those are like the 2 plaids I have for the fall collection. This, I think this is my shirt. I hope it's both of them. I ordered 2 shirts. I hope it's both and not just one. Okay, it is both. Good. I hope they're good quality. Okay. It's so crazy, like, seeing your stuff that you designed, like, on a product. Like, it's absolutely insane. I love the feeling. Okay. I hope it's centered. Okay. It says, it's like a little flag, and it says Montauk. It's like a coastal town, because my theme is like a coastal fall. It's red. There's another one, I think it's blue. It's like the same thing, but blue. Okay. Okay. There's that. Then my other shirt. I'm more excited for this one. Okay. The print is bigger than I thought it would be. I'm scared. She'll just save me. Okay. Okay. It's cute. I don't know. I feel like the print is too big. I wanted the print to be smaller, but it's like a fish. Okay. It's cute. I'm gonna show in better lighting. There's the phone case. Gorgeous. Here's the journal. You can tell it's green. I feel like I'll have to check online, but I think this is darker than like how I made it, but it is still so fall, so cute. I love it. There's the fish design. And then here's the flag. It's like a red. I did also order like some stickers, but they're not here yet. I have mixed feelings. I think it's so cute, but I feel like it just looks odd. Like this, I'm like, I wish this was smaller. I'm like, the phone case is perfect. I'm obsessed. Also, I just remembered I was gonna do like an unboxing video. I forgot. Now I'm off to math class. Basic fit. I'm cooking right now. I love camera. Say hi. 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 So I lied. I did not vlog. Oh wait, my dad's calling me. But yeah, I lied. I did not vlog. It's fall break and I'm at the beach. Read my Bible. So, long story short, I think I said I was gonna vlog, like, oh my gosh, I look so bad. Okay, I think I said I was gonna vlog, like, the Friday market. I lied. I did not vlog because I forgot. Also, I'm sick. You could probably tell by my voice. But it's fall break, and this morning, I don't know where to set my phone. I dropped one of my roommates off at the airport. And, bruh. Here, wait, let me try something. Bruh. No, this is like back when, okay, yeah, this morning, oh my gosh, I look so bad. Please ignore how I look. It's just because I'm sick in the lighting, I promise. But I dropped one of my roommates off at the airport. And I'm like, okay, it's so early, so I'm gonna watch the sunrise. I go to this cafe, I just put in my GPS, they're not open, so I'm like, great. Had the hardest time finding parking, but I made it to the beach just after the sunrise, so that's great. But, excuse me. But I read my Bible on the beach, it was pretty. I went to Anna Maria Island, which is very pretty. But I'm like, you know, Longboat Key, which I've been here before, I'm like, it's just 20 minutes. And I kind of wanted to swim, but there was like a lot of people. I'm like, that's embarrassing. So I drove here and I found this random parking lot. It's very random. And I parked and hopefully I can swim and no one will watch me. My throat hurts so bad. Okay. I'll give you the view of my parking spot. So yeah, it's like super random, this lot off the side of the road, and they have the tiniest signs letting you know it's like public beach. Tiny. So I almost missed it. So far it looks like no one's here, which is good. Literally no one here, which is exactly what I want. It's so cold. I don't know if I want to swim. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm scared. Also, my new t-shirt I designed has fish on it. I'm always scared, like what if a shark comes and eats me? But if that happens, I guess it's God's will. Okay. Literally just me out here. so freaking cold. Oh my gosh. The fact that it's so calm worries me. I'm like, am I doing something wrong? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay, I can't. I can do this. God gives me strength. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I swear I just saw a massive fish. Okay, maybe I'll just dunk and get out. Okay, it's enough for me. I swear I just saw a massive fish. I saw like a fish. Like, I'm not even joking, I saw a fish. This is their home, and I'm exiting. I'm exiting so fast. Couple swimming is so cute. Might go out again. Find a good positioning. Okay, I think that's good. Now, back in the car, and I'm gonna go to Starbucks and then back to school. Crazy sight. Like what? Got my pecan crunch latte from Starbucks. It's like my favorite latte. Yummy.